Hello, London lovers, city explorers. Another day, another exploration. Today we are in Merton. That's the area of southwest suburbia, London suburbia. Basically, the idea behind this channel is to walk every day and show you different parts of London. I've been living here for 12 years. I'm obsessed about London. I can walk for hours, and I thought, why not to share my passion with you? Because I believe there are so many people who are as crazy as I am and love to walk around, observe, see different parts of the city, look at the houses, cars, people, how people behave, how people live. And yeah, this is what I'm doing. So welcome to Merton. This is a typical corner shop. All England is covered in those kind of shops, mostly run by Indians. They've got monopoly for this kind of shops. And talking about Indians, I can see there is a cricket match here. Here we've got University of the Arts, London, Wimbledon. Creative people who dream about fantastic life as an artist. Learn here how to be unemployed in the future, I guess. Okay, this is not good. It doesn't look okay to me. Unfortunately, this is very common for England these days, to see a lot of stores being closed, neglected, old buildings not repaired. It's quite sad. This is a perfect example of how a typical retail street looks like in London suburbia. So behind me there is a like medical center, right? Then over there you've got some shops, restaurants, you've got obviously a pub in the corner. There are more businesses over there, like hair salon, some pizza, healthcare, etc. And very common is that those buildings, the top floor, looks really bad. I don't know why is that, but yeah, it's very typical for England. Do you think we should go there? It's like a little heaven. It's fantastic. Like, this street is a very good example of how quiet and peaceful suburbia can be. You know, like 100 meters from here, we've got this very busy, ugly road, very noisy. And then we are here, and there's completely different world. You know what I love about this part of London, this like southwest enclave of just normal life? I love that there is no dysfunction. There's no crime. Well, obviously there is some crime, but not to the level like in other parts. It's very clean, it's very organized. Maybe I'm getting older, but this is like, that's my priorities right now. To just feel that the place that I live... Oh, hello. Is she coming towards me? Are you right? Oh, I love tennis. Love watching tennis, love playing tennis. Can you show me something more charming than this? It's wonderful in here. Okay. Okay, I accept graffiti like that. It's not vandalism, it's art. Traditional fish and chips. Tesco over there. Fish and chips and Tesco. Show me more British street than this. Right, this station definitely needs some upgrade. When you enter the station, you need to tap your card on this. I like the pink color. Live in Merton. I really like this artwork here. I think it's a very clever idea to make the station look a little bit more nicer. And it looks like all of this was created by some kids, because, you know, the style of this is questionable. But it looks cool. You know, the state of the station. Oh gosh. It's quite sad. It's not, you know, as bad as the other ones, but definitely could be improved. Littering in England is very common. It drives me absolutely crazy that people are so fucking selfish and disgusting. But yeah, they are. So in terms of littering and rubbish everywhere, one thing that I miss about Poland is how clean Poland is compared to the UK. It's shocking. Every time when I go to visit Poland, I'm like, oh my god, please, can you bring this to the UK society and teach them how to do it? And I think, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for this walk. I hope you enjoy it. And see you next time.